Wendy Ross joins us once again with a first alert weather update. And Wendy, it didn't feel like that long ago that we couldn't get a bad day on a weekend, and now we just can't seem to get a dry one. What happened?
After the next. And so what we're looking at right now is this broad area of low pressure still affecting us, still bringing us all the wet weather, and it even has prompted some flood warnings to go into effect. So this is around the areas of Horse Creek, which is near Arcadia and DeSoto County, the Manatee River, and that's of course in Manatee County. And so you can see how long those warnings are going to be in effect. And then Alafaya River, which is up in Hillsborough County, also has a flood warning in effect until Tuesday at 12 o'clock. So this is all a result of all the heavy rains that we've experienced over the past 24-hour period. And just take a look at how much has fallen. And it's been in pockets. It hasn't all been in one spot, but you can see we've had 5 to 6 inches of rainfall right here over the center. And then you just move a little bit farther to the south and east over portions of Charlotte County. You're seeing anywhere from 4 to 4.2 inches of rainfall. You go a little farther to the north and maybe over to the east, and we're looking at 3 to 4 inches of rain. So pick your place. You know where you live, and you can see how much rain has fallen. And it's just been incredible, the amounts of rain we've been getting. And as far as the overnight time period is concerned, we're going to see those rain chances go down to about a 10 to 20% chance throughout the overnight time period into the early morning hours. And then during the early morning, we're going to see those rains back in our forecast again, but once again about a 20% chance of rain. There's still plenty of moisture out there. And so as we take a look at this radar, you can see all of the showers still coming on in from the south, moving on up, tracking towards the north. And so we've been getting the rains coming on through, but we're finally getting a little bit of a break. Not everybody is getting it. Parts of Charlotte County have been getting the showers coming on in now for about the past 35 to 40 minutes, and we are going to see this rain lifting on up towards the north. The rest of us, though, getting some scattered rains, and that's what we're going to see, are periods of rain, isolated showers. That's what's going to be taking place for the rest of tonight. So just keep that in mind. We're not out of it yet. In fact, close-up looks is just showing you where these areas of flooding are going to be taking place, and so those flood warnings are in effect all the way through Tuesday for our area. As far as future radar is concerned, during the overnight time period, a lot of areas reporting no rain, and then we get these showers that are going to be coming on through. And keep in mind again that this is going to be isolated in and out types of showers, so they'll be coming in periods and in waves across the area, but they're going to continue throughout the day tomorrow. So we're going to see another round of rain coming on through with a good 50 to 60% chance of showers in our forecast. Our future cast is showing that for the overnight time period, we get most of this wet weather moving on up towards the north, and most of these showers, you can see still plenty of areas of wet weather down to the south that all is moving towards the north. And then next weekend, Memorial Weekend, we've got the possibility of a low pressure system developing, and it is going to also be moving up towards the north. Whether it goes across the southern part of the state and heads towards the Carolinas or stays here in the eastern Gulf of Mexico is unknown right now. However, it is going to not make much of a difference because it means more moisture in the forecast for next weekend. So today we got up to a high of 81 degrees after an overnight low of 70 degrees, and we're going to keep our temperatures in the 80s. It's going to start to warm up a little bit more, but for tomorrow we're expecting to see temperatures still in the low 80s for daytime highs with a 60% chance of rain. As the week wears on, we keep those rain chances still in the forecast. On Friday, that developing low is going to start to make more of an impact for us on Saturday with a 70% chance of rain, and that is going to be our first alert day. Adam?